Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm sharing the June Simply Earth recipe box. If you don't know what Simply Earth is yet, I do this unboxing every month. It is a monthly recipe box that gets shipped automatically, and it is 4 essential oils and some recipes, I think 6 or 7 recipes, stickers, some things you need, and it's really affordable. It's $39 a month for everything you're getting. The value is usually like $200, but at least over $100, so the value is always over. That's why I love subscription boxes. Their quality is the best. They are aromatherapists and they are really keen on safety and really just teaching you how to use your oils so that you're not just going to buy them and then let them sit on the shelf. So this is the monthly recipe box. If you do use my code and subscribe, you get $40 back in a gift card, so you can use it for more product on their website, which you can just go on and buy like single oils too. You don't have to just subscribe to this. And then you also get a free big bonus box, which is probably 3 times this size, and it has like rollers and empty bottles and coconut oil, almond oil, I think beeswax, so a bunch of other things that you'll need to just do like various recipes. And roller bottles are always necessary. So anyways, let's open the box. This is June, like I already said, and it's just so fun to get this every month, and it's fun to do the recipes. Sometimes the girls do them with me, and it's just, we love it. So here are the oils on this side. So there's 4. I'll open them and smell them and show you, and then the recipe cards and recipe stickers and just ingredients. Ooh, there's beads in there. Fun. All right, so the theme this month is Nature's Touch. So that's cool. Outdoors, summertime. The value is $180. That's crazy, right? So it's usually between $100 and $200 every month. Okay, citronella is first, but this is a different variation of citronella. It is Java citronella. So the Latin name is going to be different. It is, I will put it on the screen, Cymbogopan wintonarius. It's from Indonesia, and it's lemony, fresh, and sweet. I love that their bottle on the back of it has all of that information, so that if you're just like wondering, you know, where it comes from or what the Latin name is or anything about the oil, you can just go on and look. Their website, oh, it's super strong. Oh my goodness. It's very potent. It's very similar though to regular citronella. I don't feel like it's different. It's a little less bitey. Maybe a little bit more sweet than regular citronella, but I like that it's a different variation. They do that a lot, just like throw in different ones. There's also a blend. Oh yeah, is this a blend? So timber. Yeah, so you get 3 oils, and one of them is a blend, so like a mix of different single essential oils. And I love that too because their blends are formulated by aromatherapists. So the next single oil is Hoe Wood. This isn't a lot of blends that I have, and I was looking on my shelf and I actually don't have this oil, so I'm really excited because I always see it like in a blend, but I've never gotten to just singly smell it. This is from Twigs and Bark. It's from China. Citronella is still taking my breath away. It's woody and floral, and it's Cinnamon camphora, and I'm excited. I think this is going to be similar to patchouli. Woody and floral, that's kind of patchouli-ish. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. That's really nice. I like that. It's light, but it's like, I have the citronella like stuck up my nose. Oops. It is woody and floral, but it's light. I really like this. It is, I would say it's like in the same family maybe as patchouli, in my like categories in my head of like what it smells like, but I like it. That was Hoe Wood. Then we have Sweet Orange, which I haven't opened one already, so I'm not going to open that. But it's the same exact. This is Sweet Orange from Italy. It's sweet and citrusy. It is Citrus sinensis, and it's from the fruit peel. All citrus oils are from the peel, and they are cold pressed. It's just very bright and sweet. I love orange. I love all of the citrus oils. So I'm excited to see what that's going to be in. Okay, Timber is the last one, and this is the blend. So this is a few different oils. It is cypress, cedarwood, sandalwood, patchouli, Peru, balsam, and mandarin. That sounds really good. Woodsy and earthy, and then a little bit of sweet. So let's see what it smells like. I should have shaken it a little bit first. The citronella is strong. I can still smell it. Ooh, ooh. This is kind of like a cologne type of, this smells really good. It's very like tree oil, but it's also, it has just like those different notes. I think it's a really good balanced blend. Oh my goodness. That's good. The mandarin is just lightly there. Oh my gosh, that's good, you guys. Okay. I'm excited to see what that's going to be. Oh, timber beard oil. That's the first recipe I just picked up. So you get to make a beard oil. Chris does not have a beard, but my brother does. So I will just pass that on to my brother. But let's see. The rest of the recipes are here. And on the back, there's also more. So they donate 13% to help end human trafficking, which is amazing. There's more about that on their website, but on the back of this recipe has some info about that. The next recipe is a Nature's Calm Roll-On. So this is going to go in a roller that comes in your free big bonus box when you sign up. And then coconut oil comes in that too, so you don't have to buy anything extra to make this if you subscribe for June. And yeah, it's all of the oils and then fractionated coconut oil. Rollers are really easy to, simple to make. Earthy Diffuser Necklace. This is fun. If you didn't know, I have an Etsy shop and I have diffuser jewelry. So like ring stacks are the most popular, and that might be the only thing that's listed. Now I do have some roller labels, but the diffuser rings are super fun. But a necklace is the recipe, Beach Feet Sugar Scrub. This is cool. I love scrubs. Woodland Diffuser Blend. So there's always a recipe to make another essential oil blend, and so also in your big bonus box you get empty bottles to make. It's just an empty bottle like this, so you make your own blend. So basically you're getting 5 oils because you make one too. And then boho diffuser bracelet. This is so fun. I'm excited that we get to make stuff with beads. I love beading. I've loved it since I was a little girl, and it's just so fun that I get to do it and have an Etsy shop. But also, any kind of wooden or porous bead, so any porous material, you can drop some essential oils onto like these beads that they give you to make your stuff, and it acts as like a diffuser all day, and it might last a couple of days just depending on the oil and how much you put, but I love that. Okay, this is clay, air dry clay. What are we using this for? Wooden beads. So this is for the necklace. So you use a rolling pin or similar utensil to roll out the clay. Roll it out until it's smooth and flat. If the clay is cracking, quick small amount of water, use a lid or a cookie cutter to cut a shape out. This will be the pendant on your necklace. So that's really fun. You get to make, the girls are gonna love that. I'll let them do this one, but they give you clay to make a little pendant for necklace. And then there's beads to finish it and make your bracelet, along with some cord. In there, is it tweed waxed hemp cord, and then you also get a body oil base. So this, I'm sure, is for the beard oil, which is cool. I really might just make a body oil. So that's the thing too. They're very like customizable and universal. They give you the recipes, but like I don't have a beard and neither does my husband, so maybe we'll just make a body oil. So this is the sticker, and they're really cute always. There's a little one that says "Here Comes the Sun," but all of the labels. And then this is for the roller. These are for the top of the bottle, so you can just take a little circle sticker off like that and then put it on the top so that you can see. Okay. There we go. So you can see it like if it's sitting in a drawer or something, or if you're traveling. I love that. All right, so that is everything. Like I said, my code will be in the description because it's a really good one, you guys. Don't miss out. It gives you $40 back. So basically you're getting, I don't know, you just get that back towards your next box or something else. And you also get the big bonus box, which is really handy when you're using essential oils. So I love Simply Earth, and I know you guys will love them too. Let me know if you're going to subscribe or if you already do and you're excited for this one. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching to the end. Bye.